Meaning of four-way stop.
Four-way stop.
Four-way stop.
Four-way stop.
Four-way stop. A four-way stop is a type of intersection where traffic from all four directions are required to come to a complete stop before proceeding. The first vehicle to arrive at the intersection has the right of way and can proceed first. If multiple vehicles arrive at the same time, the driver on the right has the right of way. This type of intersection is designed to increase safety and reduce confusion. Four-way stops are commonly found in residential areas and other low-traffic areas where traffic signals or roundabouts may not be necessary.